In this video, we listed the 5 best handheld gimbals with camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Feiyu SCORP-C 3-axis Handheld Gimbal. The Feiyu SCORP-C 3-axis Handheld Gimbal is a stabilizer handle grip designed for DSLR cameras, specifically compatible with Sony, Canon, and Nikon models, offering a maximum load capacity of 2.5 kilograms. Produced by Feiyu Tech, a reputable manufacturer of camera stabilization equipment, the SCORP-C aims to provide smooth and steady footage, particularly useful for videographers and photographers who require dynamic shots while on the move. Key features of the Feiyu SCORP-C include its 3-axis stabilization system, which compensates for shake and movement in 3 directions, ensuring that the camera remains steady regardless of the operator's movements. This stability is crucial for capturing professional-grade footage without the distraction of shaky or jittery shots. The handheld design of the gimbal allows for easy maneuverability, enabling users to achieve a wide range of angles and shots with precision and control. Whether capturing fast-paced action sequences or slow, cinematic movements, the SCORP-C aims to deliver consistent results. Additionally, Feiyu Tech's official product status provides assurance of quality and reliability, backed by the company's reputation for producing durable and effective camera stabilization solutions. Number 2. ZHIYUN M2S 3-axis Mirrorless Cameras Gimbal. The ZHIYUN official Crane M2S 3-axis mirrorless cameras gimbal is a handheld stabilizer designed for a variety of cameras, including mirrorless cameras like those from Sony and Canon, action cameras, compact cameras, and even smartphones like the iPhone 14. It offers 3-axis stabilization, providing smooth and steady footage even in dynamic shooting situations. This gimbal is officially produced by ZHIYUN, a reputable brand known for its innovative camera stabilization solutions. Their M2S in the product name suggests that it might be an updated version or a variation of their previous models, possibly offering enhanced features or improved performance. The gimbal is designed to be compact and portable, making it suitable for on-the-go shooting scenarios such as travel, outdoor adventures, or vlogging. Its versatility in accommodating various types of cameras makes it a flexible tool for content creators with different equipment preferences. Key features likely include multiple shooting modes such as pan follow, lock, and POV point of view, as well as intelligent features like object tracking and motion time-lapse. Additionally, it might offer smartphone app integration for remote control and advanced settings adjustments. Number 3. Feiyu Pocket 2 Handheld 3-axis Gimbal. The Feiyu Pocket 2 Handheld 3-axis Gimbal is a compact and versatile tool designed for capturing stabilized 4K video footage and high-quality photos. Developed by Feiyu Tech, a leading manufacturer in the field of camera stabilization technology, this device combines the functionality of a handheld gimbal stabilizer with that of an action camera. With its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, the Feiyu Pocket 2 ensures smooth and steady footage, even in dynamic or fast-moving situations. This feature is particularly valuable for content creators who need to capture professional-looking videos without the shake or blur commonly associated with handheld filming. The camera itself boasts a 12MP sensor capable of capturing high-resolution photos, while its 4K video recording capability ensures crisp and detailed footage. Additionally, the device offers a 130 wide-angle field of view, allowing users to capture a wide perspective of their surroundings. One notable feature of the Feiyu Pocket 2 is its built-in microphone, which enables users to record high-quality audio along with their video footage. This eliminates the need for external microphones, streamlining the filming process and reducing the amount of gear required. Furthermore, the Feiyu Pocket 2 includes a 4x digital zoom function, providing users with greater flexibility in framing their shots without compromising image quality. Number 4. 3-axis Handheld Gimbal. A 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, such as the Smart X Pro professional model mentioned, is a sophisticated tool designed to stabilize and enhance the quality of videos captured using smartphones. Its primary function is to counteract the effects of hand movements, resulting in smoother and more professional-looking footage. These devices typically utilize 3 brushless motors to stabilize movement along 3 axes: pitch, roll, and yaw. This means they can compensate for up and down, side to side, and rotational movements, ensuring that the camera remains steady regardless of how the operator moves their hand. The Smart X Pro Professional model specifically boasts several advanced features to elevate the user experience. The inclusion of wireless charging capability allows users to conveniently charge their smartphone while using the gimbal, ensuring uninterrupted filming sessions. Additionally, the OLED display provides real-time feedback and settings adjustment, offering users greater control and flexibility over their shooting parameters. Furthermore, LED lights integrated into the gimbal can enhance visibility in low light conditions, ensuring well-lit footage even in challenging environments. The presence of a focus wheel allows for precise manual focusing, enabling users to capture sharp and clear images. Number 5. Hohem-iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal. The Hohem-iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal is a versatile stabilizing device designed for smartphones, offering users the ability to capture smooth and professional-looking footage. With its 3-axis gimbal technology, it provides stabilization along 3-axis pitch, roll, and you're ensuring that your videos remain steady even when shooting in motion or under shaky conditions. One notable feature of the Hohem-iSteady M6 is its AI tracker function, which allows the gimbal to automatically track subjects, keeping them in the frame as they move. This feature is particularly useful for capturing dynamic shots such as action sequences or vlogs where the subject is constantly on the move. Additionally, the kit includes a fill light, which can enhance the lighting conditions when shooting in low-light environments or during nighttime. This ensures that your videos maintain clarity and detail even in challenging lighting situations. The Hohem-iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including popular models like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and various Android devices. Its versatility and ease of use make it an ideal tool for content creators, vloggers, and anyone looking to elevate the quality of their smartphone videos.